Alright, so welcome back 'no. Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon is, ano ba yung common types of analysis natin? Excuse me. Alright, so meron po tayo ditong technical, fundamental at saka sentiment analysis. Now, most of the time ang naririnig natin are technical and fundamental analysis, and then yung sentiment ano yan 'no, it's a type of analysis that normally evades us. Kumbaga ano-ano ba yan 'no, nakakalito. So, unahin muna natin yung technical at fundamental. Technical analysis, keep it very simple. Technical analysis is based on charts, patterns, and repetitions. No? Yung concept niya is kung nangyari ito dati and given the same setup today, history could repeat itself. Yun yung concept niya. Nangyari ito dati, bumaba yung presyo, no? Bumaba yung current market value sa ganitong presyo, no? Tapos from there bigla siyang tumalbog pataas. It went up from there. There's a lot of demand doon sa price level na yan. Paano kaya kung bumaba ulit yung presyo doon sa same price level, no? Maybe a couple of days later, a couple of weeks, a couple of months, or even a couple of years later, no? Bumalik ulit siya sa presyo na yun. Would the same thing happen again? Pwede kaya tumalbog ulit pataas yun. So that increases the chances of it happening kasi nangyari na siya dati, no? So the same thing could happen again in the future. And that's the concept of technical analysis, no? So that's where all the charts come in, where all the patterns come in, no? Madali niyo po makikita yung mga repetitions na yan sa ating charts. And that's the concept of technical analysis. Is it possible for me to profit from technical analysis alone? Yes, that's possible. Pwede naman, no? But the hard part with it is nanguhula ka kung ano yung iti-trade mo. For example, sige nga, tignan ko nga Euro USD, no? Meron ba akong familiar pattern na nakikita dito? Meron ba akong flag pattern? Meron ba akong double bottom, no? Or yung market structure natin na Wyckoff, no? Or Elliott wave, whatever, no? Technicals you're using. Nanguhula ka kung ano iti-trade mo. Now, that is where fundamental analysis comes in. Okay? Fundamental analysis can give you an idea kung anong nangyayari doon sa economies, no, nung tinitrade mong currencies, no, doon sa mga bansa nila. Okay? So, for example, you're looking at macroeconomic data like GDP, inflation, employment, no, trade balance, or yung mga ginagawa ng central bank, so interest rates, uh, quantitative easing, quantitative tightening, yung mga yun. So, ano kayang pwedeng mangyari doon sa economy ng bansang yun? You're looking at the macroeconomic data that would affect the supply and demand of their money. Okay? So, itong ganitong klaseng analysis, nakikita mo na kagad kung ano yung mga currencies na pwedeng mag-appreciate or mag-devaluate in the future. Okay? And as much as possible, we want to pair up, no, currencies that would appreciate against currencies that will depreciate para mas sigurado tayo na aakyat or bababa yung pares na yun. For example, based sa analysis mo, malakas ang US dollar ngayon, no? Sabihin natin maganda yung kanilang GDP, no? Or sabihin natin mataas yung inflation nila ngayon tapos kailangan sila magtaas ng interest rate, no, yung kanilang central bank. So the forecast is aakyat talaga yung US dollar, no? Tapos kung titignan mo ng euro, napakahina. Hindi sila magtataas ng interest rate, no? Hindi pa ganun kataas yung inflation nila, pero ang baba naman ng GDP, so it's a terrible economy for them. Then it might be a good idea to trade Euro USD. No, sell tayo sa Euro USD. You're selling the euro and you're buying the US dollar. And with that can give you an idea na yun na iti-trade mo kagad. Euro USD ka mag-focus, no? How about the other currencies? No? Hindi natin alam kung ano mangyayari doon, bakit may iti-trade. Okay? Then that's what fundamental analysis can help you with. It can help you focus on certain instruments to trade with, no? Try to pair up good ones against bad ones, or hindi naman good and bad, pero kung aakyat sa baba, so that you get a higher chance of getting a good trade. Now, the thing is, if you're trading fundamental analysis, you're talking about macroeconomic data that takes a long time for the market to move. So this is ideal for markets, for trading styles that focus on mid to long term, no? So sabihin natin, position trading ka, D1 charts, then go ahead, no? Okay lang, mag-fundamental analysis ka. Base mo dyan yung mga tinitrade mo, yung biases mo, okay yun. But if you're going down to lower time frames, sabihin natin, nagtitrade ka na sa H1, no? Medyo nag-intraday trading ka na or medyo short-term swing, then sentiment analysis would play a big role. No? Ano ba yung sentiment analysis? Sentiment analysis, ito naman po kung ano yung nararamdaman ng tao sa current market ngayon. Ano yung sentimento nila? What's their current sentiment? Are they confident in the market right now? Or Are they not? No? Medyo matapang ba sila ngayon? They want to go into riskier assets or they want to avoid that and move their money to safer havens. Okay? Yan yung ibig sabihin ng sentiment analysis. Kasi kahit maganda yung lumalabas sa fundamental analysis or pangit yung lumalabas sa mga macroeconomic data nyo, depende pa rin yun sa pakiramdam ng market, no? Doon sa data na yun. I'll give you an example. Sabihin natin na yung Central Bank ng US, nag-announce sila ng maaga, itataas po namin yung interest rate, no? This coming month. Sabihin natin next month or 2 months from now, magtataas kami ng interest rate. They announced it, but they haven't raised it yet. Okay? Nag-announce sila, pero hindi pa nila ginagawa. Ano sa tingin niyo yung magiging sentiment ng market doon? Okay? Now, if they raise interest rates, ang most likely mangyayari ay tataas yung presyo ng kanilang currency. So, if you've heard of that, ano sa tingin mo yung gagawin ng mga traders? Maaga pa lang bibili na sila. Kahit hindi pa talaga nag-change yung interest rates, hindi pa talaga nila inaakyat, but the sentiment of the market is very bullish for the dollar, then a lot of traders and institutions would already buy the dollar ahead of time. Bibili na sila, pwede umakyat yung pera. Okay? Now, if it goes up, no, then you also buy in that movement, no, then you're able to make a good trade out of that, no. Tapos biglang pagdating ng actual news, no, sabi nila magtataas sila ng 0.25%. Okay? Tapos pagdating ng actual news, nag-release sila. 0.25% talaga yung nilabas nila. Ano sa tingin niyo yung sentimento ng market doon, no? Ay, alam na namin yan, maaga pa lang, tapos na actually yung mga trade namin, no? So a lot of them would actually be taking their profits already. And madalas, ang nangyari, bumabaliktad yung nangyayari sa market, no? Imbis na market siya, bumababa kasi nagtitake profit na sila, no? Expected na ng market yan, matagal na, no? Now, what if biglang ang nilabas nila mataas? 0.5 imbis na 0.25, no? Ano sa tingin yung sentimento ng market? Eh di lalong bibili, lalong pwedeng umakyat. Okay? Or baliktad ang nangyari. Sabihin natin, di ba, in-expect natin 0.25, biglang paglabas ng after release, walang ginawa, zero lang. Ano sa tingin yung magiging sentimento ng market? Eh di sobrang bearish, pwedeng bumagsak talaga yung currency. That is what sentiment analysis is. Okay? Ano yung sentimento ng tao? Kasi kung titingnan mo, hindi naman talaga nagbago yung fundamentals, di ba? Kanwari, kung wala naman silang inangat. Dati, sabihin natin, zero yung kanilang interest rate, no? Sabi nila, iakyat namin by 0.25. Pagdating nung actual news release, hindi sila nag-akyat. Zero pa rin. Diba? Negative yung sentiment ng market, babagsak yung value. But has the fundamental analysis changed, no? Nagbago ba yung macroeconomic data mo? Hindi. Hindi naman umakyat eh. Nagbago yung sentiment. Okay? So, yun yung difference ng technical, fundamental, and sentiment analysis. So, as mentioned in the previous video earlier, piliin mo. Ano ba yung idadagdag mo sa trading plan mo? Maglalagay ka ba ng technicals? Well, dapat, no? Lahat tayo may technicals dapat, no? Are you gonna add fundamentals with that? Are you also gonna consider sentiment, no? Risk on ba or risk off yung market? Risk on is, okay ba yung market ngayon, no? Or takot ba sila pag risk off? Okay? So, yan yung ating types of analysis. Okay? And hopefully, that helps you decide better kung ano ba ilalagay nyo sa trading plan.